Let's discuss about illegal software and free software.
Hi my friends, today I'm going to talk about illegal software versus free software. In today's world, ICT is used for virtually everything. It has become the foundation of the modern world. Because of that, many people use computers or laptops for their daily work and education. We do these tasks through the internet, so we need to keep our computers up to date. A computer alone isn't enough for do our works. It must have an operating system. It is the interface between the computer and the user. In 2024, we have many operating systems to choose from, both free and paid. After installing an OS, we need software to perform specific tasks. These software options also come in free and paid versions. What is the difference between free and proprietary software? Paid software often has more features, a user-friendly interface, and many advantages over free software. However, some users tend to use proprietary operating systems and software illegally. Why do people use illegal software? Some people use illegal software because they can't afford to invest in paid legal software. However, most are unaware of the risks associated with using illegal software. Then I can't recommend using cracked illegal software because it is very risky for your personal data. What are the threats of using illegal software? Illegal software often contains malware, which can run on your PC and gain access to important data. Those illegal software can contain various types of malware, including viruses, trojans, and ransomware. Those malware can get your personal information like passwords, financial data, and other sensitive information. Example, when you're using cracked software can expose your PC to malware, which hackers can use to gain access to your personal data, including your YouTube channel credentials. This can lead to your channel being hacked. It's safer to use legal software to protect your data and accounts. Additionally, malware can significantly slow down your computer, causing it to crash or behave unpredictably. This can lead to a frustrating user experience and potential data loss. Legal softwares and operating systems comes with regular updates and customer support. These updates often include security patches and new features. However, illegal softwares does not receive these updates, leaving your system vulnerable to new threats. Using illegal software is against the law and can result in legal action, including fines and other penalties. What are other alternatives to using legal operating systems? Most people use Microsoft Windows as their operating system. We can also use Linux, which is the third most popular computer OS. Even though Mac OS is the second most popular, it comes pre-installed on Apple devices and can't be officially run on a normal PC. If we select Microsoft Windows as our OS, we need to buy it to use its full features. Using Windows without buying a product key means you can't use it with full features. Older versions like Windows 7 and XP give a 1-month trial period and start crashing after the trial period. If you don't have the budget to buy Windows, you can buy OEM keys for a lower cost. If you don't have money, consider using free alternatives like Linux, which is a robust and secure OS. What are other alternatives to using legal softwares? We use many software applications for various tasks. To improve our productivity and ensure quality output, it's essential to use the best, latest, and genuine software. Avoiding illegal software is crucial for maintaining high-quality results. While genuine software can be expensive, there are many free alternatives available that can help you get started successfully. Using illegal software is not a good idea as it comes with various risks. If you are a graphic designer, you can start with free tools like GIMP and Canva. These tools offer many of the same functions as Photoshop. For video editing, you can use free tools like DaVinci Resolve and CapCut to enhance your productivity. Although these free software options might feel unfamiliar at first and their interfaces may not be as user-friendly as proprietary software, eventually, you can switch to genuine software to further improve your productivity. Remember, more important than the quality of your software is your skill in using it. Finally, I say again, always choose legal software to protect your data and ensure a smooth, secure computing experience.
Stay updated with the latest tech tips. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos.